Watch this video for the hottest and latest story make you know wetin dey happen for world. Na Pidgin Tori Global be this, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. If e dey happen for the world, we go dey run and hear the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter today gist. Ten sion dey rise for Middle East as Iran don warn say if UK and US or France try defend Israel, dem go face attack plus their military bases and warships for the region. The warning come after serious overnight exchange of missile attacks between Israel and Iran. Explosions bin rock Tel Aviv, Jerusalem and even Tehran. Iran say the missile strike na payback for Israeli attack on Friday wey target parts of Iran nuclear program. Inside Israel, officials confirm say 3 people don die and many others injure. Whereas Iranian state TV reports say 60 people die for Tehran after Israeli strike. Israel Defense Minister don reply sharply, warn Iran say if dem no stop, Tehran go burn. UK government never talk anything official yet, but media political source talk say UK no join any military response or defense support for Israel. One reporter talk say this new attack don open another serious war front and Iran fit see am as fight for survival. Pakistan don show full support for Iran as attack between Israel and Iran dey hot. Defense Minister Khawaja Asif tell their National Assembly say Pakistan go back Iran for any international matter to protect their interests. He say Israel don attack Iran, Yemen and Palestine and warn say if Muslim countries no unite now, dem go face same wahala one by one. Asif beg all Muslim nations to sharply cut off all ties with Israel and make the Organization of Islamic Cooperation (OIC) gather for emergency meeting to plan one strong joint action. Pakistan Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar follow talk say Israel attack na clear disrespect to Iran's sovereignty. Pakistan and Iran share long border wey reach 750 kilometers and government for Islamabad say dem go stand solid with Tehran during this serious time. One Iranian political analyst, Ahmed Mousavi, don talk say the nuclear talks between Iran and US dey tricky like double-edged sword, especially as Israel still dey launch attack. He explain say Iran no wan block diplomatic road with America because na only through serious talk peace fit show. But at the same time, Iran no go continue any nuclear talk while dem still dey under attack. Mousavi add say e no make sense to dey do negotiation where war still dey fly and remind people say the original nuclear deal take 2 years to settle. He warn say if US really serious about peace, dem suppose give the process time, not to dey try force Iran with bombs because that one fit backfire. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization (SCO), wey China dey lead, don condemn Israel well over their military strike on Iran. They talk say the attack hit civilian and nuclear places, kill innocent people, and break international law plus the UN Charter. The 10-country group say this kind move don scatter Iran's sovereignty, shake Middle East peace, and even fit cause wahala for global stability and security. France don order make dem boost security area around Jewish places, US interest, and public areas where people dey plenty like schools, churches, mosques, and event venues. Interior Minister Bruno Retailleau give this instruction because of the tension wey dey rise between Israel and Iran. He talk say make security people dey extra alert, especially for any location where fit become target for attack from foreign powers or bad groups. France get the biggest Jewish population for Europe, so dem wan make sure say nothing go happen wey go affect Jewish people or US buildings inside the country. As that one dey happen, reports show say some Palestinians don die and others wound after gunshots burst near aid distribution spot for central Gaza. Palestinian journalists dey talk say na Israeli soldiers fire the shots, but till now IDF never talk anything. The matter hard to confirm well because Gaza internet don crash for over 2 days now. The aid centers wey the Gaza Humanitarian Foundation dey run, wey US and Israel support, no even open until Sunday. But many people no know because na only people wey get eSIM fit see updates for Facebook. This confusion na why people still gather for places like Natrazim corridor for central Gaza and 3 other spots for south dey wait wait make food show. The wahala don even affect Nasser Hospital for southern Gaza. Red Cross don raise alarm say the hospital don almost collapse as dem dey struggle to treat people wey get bullet wound from the aid queues shooting. Right now, the lack of food, aid and internet dey make life for Gaza dey hard every day. One 44-year-old man, Michael Riley, don enter police hand for Liverpool over the shooting wey kill 2 men for one bar Fuengirola, Costa del Sol, Spain on 31st May. The 2 men na senior members of the Lions Group, one notorious crime group from West Scotland. Dem bin dey watch Champions League final with friends when bullets meet dem. Reports say Lions Jr. die outside the bar as bullet hit am once. CCTV show say the shooter pursue Managan inside bar and finish am there. Spanish police issue international arrest warrant and Merseyside police nab the suspect. The man don appear for Westminster Magistrate Court and dem don remand am. Scotland police dey help Spanish authorities with info on the men background, but dem talk say no sign say the killing linked to any current gang wahala for Scotland. Dem still talk say no evidence say the plan start from Scotland. The Lions and Daniels gang don dey fight for almost 20 years with plenty attacks, shootings and fire bombings. Monaghan be face murder charge for 2010 killing of Daniels enforcer Kevin Gebel Carroll, but court free am. He even shot bullet for 2017 when he dey drop him daughter for school and later moved to Spain. Lions Jr. too survived shooting back in 2006 wey dem believe say Carroll arrange. Police don arrest more than 40 people over the years wey connect to this gang war. King Charles III and Queen Camilla don show with other royal family members for Buckingham Palace balcony to watch Red Arrow fly past as part of Trooping the Colour celebration for the King birthday. Thousands of people pack full central London to watch the royal parade wey move through the mall with soldiers and marching band follow body. Some anti-monarchy protesters still gather for ground. They shout "Not my king" during the parade. This year, King Charles tell all royals wey join parade make dem wear black armband to honor people wey die for the Air India plane crash. UN peacemaking boss Bintou Keita don meet with M23 rebels and leaders of Congo River Alliance wey dey control some parts of eastern Congo. She said dem talk about how to protect civilians and find peaceful way to solve the wahala. Keita land for Goma with chopper on Friday, say she carry better ear and open mind come talk. But she no talk wetin exactly dem agree. Just say na part of efforts wey don dey go on for months to help people wey dey suffer for that area. The rebels wey people believe say Rwanda dey back don capture Goma since January and still dey hold ground despite say UN troops and SADC forces bin dey try push dem back. Dem even attack some UN peacemakers. Wetin make everything worse be say plenty civilians don run comot. People dey die, airports shut down, and government workers never see salary. Almost 250 South African soldiers wey SADC send come Congo don begin go back after 20 of them die for M23 attack. Keita still meet SADC commander on Saturday to hail each other for the support wey dem don give since the fight start. And the last one for today, this year, plenty people for Canary Islands don waka enter street to vex say too much tourists dey scatter their place. Now, other protests dey cook for southern Europe this summer as people don tire for crowded towns, high rent and tourists wey no sabi behave. Even though change slow for tourism industry, some countries don dey try. Europe don begin bring new ideas to balance how tourists dey waka with wetin locals need. For Switzerland, they don launch Swiss sustainable plan wey go make their whole train system run only on hydroelectric power this year. Dem want make tourists no just rush sky season on summer hiking. With glaciers wey dey melt and mountain snow dey reduce, Switzerland dey promote public transport and off-season travel. Dem even dey run discounts, 33% off if you book certified Swiss sustainable hotel with transport, or 25% off just to stay the hotel. Roger Federer sef don join campaign to show say the country sweet all year round. Although Switzerland no even enter top 10 over touristed areas like Zante and Fuerteventura, some places like Lauterbrunnen and Lake Bruns wey Netflix film Crash Landing on You there dey feel pressure. One 2024 survey tok say locals no like Instagram tourism. People wey just rush come snap picture then disappear. Locals and communities across Europe don dey shout make government act sharp sharp before tourism scatter their lives finish. Na the tori be that for today. And na Rebecca Guffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.